Hi there guys and gals, good evening to each and every one of you. How are you all doing? I supposed to watch Topak but time didn't permits me. That's why I'm gonna watch tomorrow. And by this time I'm gonna give you my remarks rather for this movie that I've watched on the first day, 25, and the breadwinner is. But before I'm gonna make some reviews for this one, I just want to thank the Lord for all the blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Hold on. Shout out to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much, each and every one of you. And to all my silent subscribers out there, hi. To my mother in Bicol, Fea Bordo. And of course, to all my 13 lovely countries. On the number one spot, Philippines, of course. Followed by the unbeatable United States, South Korea, Mexico, and on the fifth, India, Uzbekistan, Indonesia, Russia, Italy, United Kingdom, Brazil on the 11th, Canada on the 12th, and the last but not least, Germany. Okay, and hold on guys, some kind of itchy. Okay, first thing first. Here are the cast. John Hilario and introducing Kulot Kaponpon, and this one is Anthony Jennings. This one is Marisa Cal and Lassie and MC Moi, Gladys Reyes, Eugene Domingo, and the two kids, I don't know them, maybe, forgot. Sorry, guys, sorry. Some kind of itchy, And of course, and Malu Sevilla. Sorry, Manu de Guzman. And Vice Ganda. You know what, guys and girls? I really love this movie. Sorry, guys. Oh, what's happening to me? Guys, please bear with me, okay? I can't concentrate. Okay, Hedris, concentrate, okay? Guys, it's really itchy. Sorry. Hold on, please give me some time. Concentrate. Guys, please bear with me, okay? Okay, here I am. I really love this movie because it's a fun-filled movie. Funny. It's just the same. Realistic and no dull moments. Fast-paced, and this is different compared on his previous movies before. But I haven't seen all his movies. Some of those, and I could probably say that this is kind of different because less comedic skits, but lots of dramas, lots of moral lessons, lots of how to call the thing, moral values that they shown in here, and the throwing of lines, the delivering of each, how do you call the thing? Lines, dialogues, and guys, please bear with me. It's really itchy. And oh gosh, I can't concentrate. Sorry, my apology. Okay, one more time. The first few scenes, which is 15 minutes for this movie, shot in Taiwan, and it's a fast-paced. I really love the sequencing of the movie, and oh gosh, here I am again. I'm sorry. They establish each characters, and there are some... Sorry guys, I can concentrate.